Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and checking out this impact socket adapter set. So this has 3 of these, and for a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch on these. I have my impact driver right here, and if you have a bunch of different sockets, so these are going to go right in there like that, and then I can just put this one. I have larger sockets, so this is the 1/2 inch one, and just fit that right on there. So whichever way I want to, and that's going to hold in there as well. This locks in your impact driver. So these can also be used as extenders if you need a little bit more room. And same thing with the 3/8 inch here. Boom, just plugs that one in right there. Like that. And good to go. And we also have the 1/2 inch, or I'm sorry, the 1/4 inch one. And you can use these also, like if you don't have just an impact driver, but say you needed, where your socket thing was giving you some trouble or something, and you needed to use that, you could, I think, neck it down to like a smaller size perhaps. Do I have an adapter for that? Use it as an extender, possibly, maybe not. I don't think I have an adapter for that one where I could do that, but also you could stick it into, if I have a 1/2 inch socket here, you could use that as kind of an extension there. It's not a 1/2 inch. All right, I do have an extender right here. So if you did need it a little bit longer, you could add it onto there. That's going to give you a couple more inches on that to extend it out if you needed that. So it's handy as well. Some things are more difficult to reach, and you need just a little bit more length on there to get to that, and you could do that as well. So that's pretty cool. Just a definitely handy thing to have. And I'm going to keep this obviously with my other socket tools here. But the impact driver is super handy, and to have the ability to now pretty much add all my sockets onto that is really nice, because I have all these sockets here, but before I didn't really have a way to hook them up to my impact driver. I didn't really have one of these. I had, I think, maybe a 1/2 inch, or I think I had a 1/4 inch one maybe. I've never used it before for this. I just never really thought of it. But now that I have these, they're like, oh, cool. I can hook up my impact driver to any of these that I need now, and it's going to work super fast. If you guys use with these, I mean, the ratchets are good, but they're just not as fast as if you have a bunch of screws that you need to tighten up. With the impact driver, it is really nice to be able to do that quickly. So definitely something super handy for your toolbox, and you're going to be using these all the time. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.